Students, in today's maths class, we will discuss the next types related to the topic circles, tangents and intersecting chords. So first of all, let's have a look on the objectives of today's class. Students, the objectives of today's class are to find distance between two parallel chords. There will be two cases if chords are on the same side of the center, like there are two parallel chords. They are given in the figure that they are on the same side of the center of the circle. And second case is this one, if chords are on the opposite side of the center. Like this, we have to find the distance between the chords. So let's do the question related to both cases. Students, see the statement. In a circle of radius 13 cm, AB and CD are the two parallel chords of length 24 cm and 10 cm respectively. So it means it is the length of AB and this is the length of CD. Calculate the perpendicular distance between the chords if they are on the same side of the center. This is the first case, and second case, the opposite side of the center. So first of all, we will do when the chords are on the same side of the center. This is the figure. So let's start with the solution. Students, see what is given to us in statement. We are given with the radius as 13 cm. So here OA and OC are the radius. So there will be 13 cm. And also we are given with the length of AB, that is 24 cm, and the length of CD, that is 10 cm. Now OA equals to OC is equals to 13 cm because they are the radius of the given circle, and AB is equals to 24 cm. It is given to us in this statement, and CD, that is 10 cm. It is also given to us. Now students, see this PA, length of this PA will be 12 cm. Why it is 12? Because the line drawn from center of circle to chord is perpendicular bisector. We have done this result previously. And also see CQ. CQ is 5 cm because this CD is given to us 10 cm. So its half will be 5 cm. Now see in the right angle triangle AOP. In the right angle triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem. We will get OA square, it is the hypotenuse, is equals to OP square plus AP square. Now do the shifting and put the values from here. After doing the shifting, and this square will shift to this side, it will become square root of 25. So we will get OP is equals to 5 cm, this length. Now students, see the other right angle triangle, that is triangle OCQ. OCQ is this triangle. Now in this triangle, OQ is the hypotenuse and this will be the base and this is the perpendicular. Now put the value after applying Pythagoras theorem. Here also we will get OQ. OQ is as 12 cm. Now students, we have to find the distance between the chords. Means we have to find PQ. What will be PQ? PQ will be OQ minus OP. Now subtract these both values, means 12 minus 5. We will get 7 cm as the answer. So 7 cm is the distance between both chords. Now students, see the other case, that is when chords are on the opposite side of the center. Same statement we will do when chords are on the opposite side of the center. Here also we are having two right angle triangle. First right angle triangle is OPA. This is the right angle triangle. Here also this is the hypotenuse. So apply by Pythagoras theorem. We will get OP square is equals to AO square minus AP square. After shifting we will get this. Now put the values. This is 13. This is 12. Radius 13 and length of AP. It is given to us because it is the half of 24. This full chord was 24. So 12. Here we'll put 12. Now do the subtraction from here. We will get OP is equals to 5 centimeter. Now students, see the other right angle triangle, that is triangle OQC. Here also apply the Pythagoras theorem and put the values. From here, after doing the calculation and shifting of this square, it will become square root of 144. So here OQ will be 12 centimeters. Square of 12 is 144. So square root of 144 will be 12. So children, from here we'll get the value of OQ. Now we have to find the distance between these both chords. That means we have to find the value of PQ. And what will be PQ? PQ will be OP plus OQ. So add these both values. We'll get 12 plus 5 is equals to 17 centimeter as the distance between both chords when both chords are on the opposite side of the center. So students, today we have done the concept how to find the distance between the parallel chords when they are on the opposite side of the center and when they are on the same side of the center. I hope that the calculation is clear to you and now you will be able to solve all the related questions. Thank you and have a nice day.